Want to save money on AWS Route 53? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to save money on AWS Route 53. Let's start, straight to the point. First point, we go to the Route 53 and then to the hosted zone. Here, I only have one, but in case you have here more hosted zone that you don't need anymore, you can delete them and then you can save some money because you are paying 50 cents per hosted zone monthly. You can also combine if you have like a public and a private for the same domain. You can combine or consolidate into a single one, and then you can save some money. Also, deleting a hosted zone, you don't only save 50 cents per month, but also save the queries. And the more records you have, the more queries you can save potentially. Point number 2. Increase the time to live time for the records. So for instance, here you can specify the time to live in seconds. So the higher the number is, the less queries you will get, and you are billed per query. So you can save some dollar here. And if you apply to the rest of the records, the more you save. I have here like a crazy high number, but maybe you don't need to set up something similar. Maybe you can set something lower, like a couple of days or something like that, or a few days, 1 week, whatever. And of course, not only increasing the time to live will save you some money, but also if you spot a record that you don't need anymore, you can delete. So you can save some queries on that. Point number 3. So in case you have a record pointing directly, imagine here you have a load balancer or a EC2 instant running. Instead of writing here directly the value, you can use alias. If you enable alias, you can select, for instance, a load balancer in the region, whatever, and then you select from here. I don't have anything there. And then this record will be free in terms of queries. But if you don't set any alias and specify directly the value, you may pay more. So keep in mind. Number 4, review the health check that you may have in your records. In my case, I don't have any health check, but in case you have, you may pay 50 cents to $2 monthly per each one. So evaluate if at the moment you really need them. And point number 5, review your advanced routing policies. So in case you are using any of these, like geolocation, weighted, latency, failover, geoproximity, whatever, those are more expensive than the simple routing. So keep in mind, evaluate if at the moment you really need them or not, if you have more records than the you need, and so on. So evaluate and delete them if you don't really need them. And that's all. I hope it helps. Consider like this video and subscribe to follow me. And see you in the next video.